Execution of baking process. In the baking industry, there are two ways to process baked products. They are continuous process and batch process. The following table explains these processes in detail. Continuous. A mechanical process which is non-stop till the process is complete. An automatic machine is used. No manual labor involved. Machine controls are set only once at the start of the entire process. Biscuits, cookies, etc. are baked using this process. Batch process is a stepwise process using semi-automatic machines. Manual labor is involved. Machine controls have to be set for each batch. This process is suitable for baking bread, cakes, buns. Proofing. Proofing is the method of final dough rise using a leavening agent. Proofing is a part of the larger fermentation process. Let us now take a look at the various stages involved in an oven baking process. Preheat the oven. Load the pans. Set baking temperature and time for baking as per process batch. Continuous. Start baking. Observe the color and appearance of the baking product. Do a thorough quality check of the baked product. Depan the baked product. Transfer the baked product to cooling rack. Send the baked products for packaging. Let us summarize the oven baking process with the help of this flowchart.